Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my hood. This is water. But it's that time of the month again. I have some boxes to be opening for you guys. My monthly subscription box, and we're gonna start with the Goddess Provisions, of course. So let's just get into it because you know how this goes already. This one feels light this time. No offense, but I like heavy boxes. I already kind of know what's in this because I don't have them on Instagram, but I follow people who have them on Instagram, and yeah. Okay, so I'm looking for the card. Where's my card? That's not my card. They always put the card at the bottom, which makes me really upset because I already see what's in here. But yeah. Let me just throw this back on. Ta-da! This is what it looks like. Alright, so the first thing is Calo Crown Essence. I feel like this box is chakra related. It says open to the divine. Monthly mantra. I'm aligned with the highest truth. Okay, and this is what's all on it. But we're going to go through those individually. So the first one is Calio Crown Essence. Why do I keep saying incense? Where is it? Essence. This. It's a roll-on concentrate. I don't know what it is, though. It says, apply this essential oil blend and breathe deeply to tap into the divine guidance through your crown chakra. So that's up here, by the way. And apparently it's an essential oil blend, and I love essential oils. So it has organic jojoba oil, frankincense, lavender, benzoin, anise seed, and infused with crystals with amethyst. Cool. Alright, let's see how it smells, shall we? This is what it looks like. Yep. It's very light. It smells good. It smells really good. Fresh. Okay. The next one is Distal Dry Shampoo. Reduce excess oil and maintain the natural luster to your hair with this mineral cleansing powder. That's this. It's powder shampoo. It has rosemary, basil, and tea tree to freshen up your tresses. It says tresses. Huh. Interesting. Push. Hit. Ooh. Woo. Alright. This is what it looks like. Okay, and I'm just going to pour some in my hand because I want to know what it looks like. Oh. Yeah, it's powder, alright. Just looks like powder. I'm not gonna put that in my hair right now because I just did my hair. This is messy. Okay, next one. Little Moon Essential Mist. Ooh, I love little mist things. It says spray this meditative aromatherapy mist on your face, body, or aura to relieve stress and improve intuitive vision. Girl, let's spray this now because the stress is real. Okay. Clear skies ahead. Mist, soothing mist. It says on cloud 9. Smells good. I like this one. I have like 2 of these. Okay. Not the same ones, but they're different. The next one is Rainbow Symphony Sun Catchers. Oh my gosh! It says, stick these details on your window and open your third eye with a rainbow of light. Aww. It says you'll need water, a squidgy, liquid soap, and paper towels. It says clean the surface of your window. Okay, I'm not going to read all this. These are just like, those are the instructions, but I'm going to open them. They look like these. It came in this little package, and I guess you put them on your window, and I'm gonna just stick it right here for a second. See what happens. I mean, I guess I have to activate them or whatever, but I don't know how to, and we're not about to do that right now because I have to make another video. So, the next one is Spirit Whispering Crystal Grid. Is that this? Ooh, that's so nice. It says, place this crystal grid on your altar and set an intention to connect with the divine light. That is so nice. You set the stones at the points of the grid, and it's a form of divination, but that's so awesome. I don't even want to open it yet. I don't want to open it, but it looks really pretty. That's really nice. Okay, White Sage bundle. Yes, girl. Yes. Yes, we got some White Sage. You know? My fave. Y'all already know what that's for. And this one is Blueberry Whippersnapper. This dark chocolate bar is real blueberries and sea salt and is delicious, and you'll sing with delight. With delight. I don't like chocolate. But it's okay. What it said, blueberries? I was excited, but it said chocolate, so I can't eat it. Well, I could, but I don't like it. I don't like chocolate. But that's so nice. Ooh, and I got blue kyanite. How you're doing? I've had blue kyanite before. It says, carry this throat chakra stone with you to speak the truth. If I speak the truth, that would hurt people's feelings. But look how beautiful that is. I already have a bigger piece, but this is pretty. You never could have too much crystals, you know. Very beautiful. And this one says, a digital chakras guide. Learn tools and rituals to open your throat, third eye, and crown chakras with the digital guide. Where is it? Am I missing something? I think I'm missing that. Did it fall on the floor? Interesting. Well, I don't have that. So, I mean, where's it on here? I mean, if it's in the box, then it's not here. But if it's on this card, then it is here. So, I don't know. I mean, nothing fell on the floor. So, that was it for this video of the Goddess Provisions opening box. This is the April box. Oh, shit. This is the April box. And we're about to open it up. So, peace out. Love you guys. Bye.